All right, by now you've seen our Sprinter van conversion that you could win by becoming a member of Forge 4x4, but how much would it cost you to build this exact same van part for part? Here's a breakdown by Forge 4x4. This 2022 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van is a 144 edition high roof valued at $78,477 smackaroos. The beautiful interior on our Tommy camper van conversion is the Benet style, and this is $29,900. Includes a 30-gallon water tank, 200 watts of solar on top. You got this knotty pine all the way on the interior, farmhouse sink, induction stove, cabinetry abound, insulation from head to toe, but that wasn't the only thing that we had Tommy camper vans do. The Dometic stainless steel fridge and freezer is the CRX 110, that's $1,200. The reinforced bench with seat belts, $1,225. The driver's swivel upgrade, $550. The removable table with the lagoon mount, $600. The Dometic AC unit, the RTX 2000, including install, $4,920. You got 460 amp hours of Renology lithium batteries at $3,400, all powered with the 3,000 watt Renology One power inverter for $400. Recessed lighting and dimmer switch is an additional $400. The propane water heater, $450. And last but not least is this custom mosaic tile coming in at $500. Now this interior is fantastic, it is beautiful, but the exterior is what turns this thing into an off-grid legend. Let's check that out. There is so much to go over just in this area. I think we should just put up some graphics. We got the CA Tune front bumper with the Warn VR12S winch, Baja design lights including install, and this axis mounting points right here. You got a SD design hood wrap plus the 50-inch light bar by Baja Designs, as well as the Flatline Van Company rack. This is really what sets our Sprinter van apart from just a normal, ordinary Sprinter van conversion. We got 33-inch Discover ST Max tires with Black Rhino Abrams wheels, plus the Van Compass 2-inch lift 6.3 stage kit with the adjustable Falcon shocks really makes this thing drive like butter on and off the road. The exterior of our van has CA Tune side steps, window cutouts on both sides with the integrated screen, rigid floodlights on that Flatline Van Company roof rack, looks super clean, and of course, the Van Speed capsules add a ton of extra room to that bed with the integrated window. In the back of our Sprinter van, we got the brand new CA Tune rear steel bumper with the integrated Baja Design sport lights. You have a full-size spare tire and the CA Tune spare tire carrier. And on the passenger side of the van, we have this awesome Van side ladder. And if it's capable of holding me, you know it's capable of holding just about anything. And last but not least is our Cabbunk bunk bed system coming in at $600. Great for the whole family. Bring our grand total to $161,793. That is a lot of dough. Don't spend that kind of money building your own van when you could win this one simply by going to forge4x4.com. Every $1 you spend equals 1 entry to win, or become a member today, you're automatically gonna get 15 entries to win. The sweepstakes ends April 13th, so do not delay because this Sprinter van isn't gonna drive itself. We spent a lot of time and money just to bring a Sprinter van like this to you, so do us a favor, go to forge4x4.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel to follow along and see who's gonna win this beauty, plus a boatload of cash. Thanks for watching, guys.